They stole everything. Of course, our tradition and our ways. They made up some stuff too, don't get me wrong. But yes, the shofar is something that we blow in expectation of God gathering us out of all countries and bringing us back into our own land. Well, of course, that couldn't happen until 400 years was completed. Well, the 400 years is completed now. That's why you're hearing the shofar. Now, for some of you who don't believe this is the shofar, here, I'm going to show you. Okay, the sounds that are being played, these strange sounds have been played in the sky, as they call it. These strange sounds have been played in the sky. They keep hearing. The horn, trumpet-like sounds in the sky. And they claim don't nobody know what it is. Okay, here's the sound of somebody playing the shofar. Now here's the sound that people are hearing in the sky. This is from July. This is from last month. Some of them is from the month of March, which is the first month of the new year in the Hebrew calendar. Well, listen to this and tell me that these two don't sound the same. What the fuck?
Alive for almost 28 years, I've never heard a sound like that in my life. It don't sound like brakes, it don't sound like construction work, it just sounds like it's coming from all around this proximity, all around me to like maybe just past here maybe, but it just echoes. I was just down 42 highway and there's no activity at 3:45 in the morning, okay? Not even construction workers. Their ship's parked. What a fuck thing out there. I don't know. It was fucking weird.
So what you're hearing is an announcement to all the countries, all the world. Yes, it's the end of the world. For Esau is the end of the world. Jacob is the beginning of it that follows. And what he's going to do, verse 5, and the Lord thy God will bring thee into the land which thy fathers possessed. And what? And thou shalt possess it. So everybody's talking about the rapture and us being caught away. That can't happen. The dead in Christ shall rise first, which the Bible says. And then the rest of us that remain shall be caught up in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye. Okay, prophecy is in order. The dead in Christ rising and us being caught up in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, can't happen before this be fulfilled. As you can see, this is in more than one place. That's talking about going to heaven, the New Jerusalem coming down on earth. This is talking about the Israelites going back to where? To the land which your fathers possessed. And we shall possess. That has to happen before the Messiah returns. Esau is the end of the world. Jacob is the beginning of it that follows. What's the point? The point is when Esau rules the world, that's when the world comes to the end. So yes, this is the end of the world. But it's not the end of life on earth. It's the end of Esau's dominance. It's the end of the Edomites' rule. It's the end. The shofar is being blown as an announcement to America and its allies. You're about to be judged for what you are doing for God's chosen people. You have a woman, an Edomite woman, going on stage pleading with you guys to do the right thing. Let her be the voice of warning that you guys are ignoring and making jokes about.